This is a test for the GoPro 7 in my car. Did away with the snap mounts. And screwed it straight down to the GoPro mount. It's glued to my dashboard. We'll see how it, whether it shakes or not, how it looks, how it sounds. I have my fan going on inside the vehicle with my windows up. And if it looks like the picture is slightly leaning towards the right, it's because that's the way my dashboard is shaped. Got no control over that. It may not even show up in the video. I don't know. So, do not know. But anyway, we're basically take the torture test right up here on the other side of this light and see how well it works. Physically tell whether or not it's shaking or not. It doesn't look like it is. I mean, not anything out of the ordinary. Right, maybe right then and there, them bumps I just went across might have some effect on it, but anyway. I put another fitting inside the part that's glued to the dashboard. It's a little bit taller than the one that was in there before. And it was a little bit loose, so I super glued it to where it won't move. So maybe it'll look alright. I do not know. We'll soon find out. Make a U-turn right here and go back on the torture test road, going back towards the house and see what happens. That's the only good thing these rough roads in Houston are good for, is testing out cameras, because the city sure as heck don't know how to fix the roads and make them smooth. Either they don't know how, or they just won't do it. They'd rather take our tax dollars and spend it on BS stuff. That's the only thing I can figure. That's the only thing I can figure. Well, there's a bump there. Probably seeing the camera jump at that point. And here comes some more bumps right here, rough road, going across them real slow. You'll probably see the truck dip. And here we go again, some more bumps. And some more bumps right there. And this, yeah, as far as coming back to the house it is with going out, but here's some more right here. Bump, 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 bump. It just really makes me happy about these roads in this town. All the tax dollars we pay. Okay, I'll be quiet. I'll quit complaining, but it is true though. I don't know how this is going to sound because I haven't gotten my external mic adapter for this camera yet from Amazon. I ordered another one because the one that was in this phone is now in my my GoPro 10. So anyway, that's the status on that. After that, we'll have much better. I'll be able to use my new wireless mics when I get that adapter in. It's coming in the day after tomorrow. So anyway, that's the name of that story. Name of that tune, or whatever you want to call it, however you want to say it. Okay, we're almost back to the house now. That was a very short trip. I made sure sure I had my wallet. I'm wearing my corrective lenses to drive. I had my phone with me just in case. With my luck, anything could happen, so, you know. And the neighbor's coming out the gate. As I'm coming in the gate, so he timed that just right, I guess. I got my fan going on, like I said, so I don't know if it's going to make any noise or not in this camera or not, but I'll find out when I go to edit it. So, anyway. Yeah, that's Jonathan there. He's a good guy. He works for HEB, been with him several years. Lives right across the driveway from me, from my house. Ooh, I wish they'd fix this driveway. It's like a landmine through here. Y'all can probably tell when I'm walking up and down this driveway with my GoPro going. You can see me going up and down, so you probably see this truck doing the same thing. Anyway, let me go in there and look at this film clip and see what it looks like. I may end up just taking the dadgum thing out altogether, so I don't know. I just don't know yet. So we'll find out in the 2.1 mile turnaround that I just did to test this out. Alright, that's the end of this story.
Beep, beep.